prosthetics. It's so scary, no? Isn't it so intense?
I mean, it was interesting. I forget, I haven't done it in so long, but you just put like...
It's the green stuff, the slime first.
Oh, it is scary.
And then, yeah.
Oh,
And
no,
then they
I
wrap
remember
it up and they bandage you and you sit there for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and you can't
Not
see.
40 minutes,
No,
like
it is.
5
It
minutes.
really is. No, it's not 5.
Oh no, something went
promise.
wrong. Then you shouldn't do that. I would be
I
scared.
promise it's not 5.
Wait, I remember they put the green stuff in
Yeah.
it's like